Here we have a 2019 19 plate BMW 435D XDRIVE M Sport in black. Now we have 4 superb 19-inch alloy wheels in black. We also have the M Sport brake calipers just hiding behind. We also have the LED headlights as well as black kidney grills, M Sport styling kit which includes black front splitter, side skirt extensions, rear boot spoiler and rear diffuser. There's a look at another alloy wheel. Now we do have black window trim as well as privacy glass on the rear. Also the shark fin antenna just up there. There's another alloy wheel. Here's a quick look at that rear boot spoiler. The rear does make this car stand out. Now we do have XDRIVE and 435D badging on the rear just there. Now this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches and does look absolutely superb from every angle. Now if you head on inside the car, we do have full Dakota leather seats, which are incredibly comfortable with ISO points, pull down leather armrest, and we also have storage in the centre. Now we also have integrated harmony kline speakers. Go to the front, we have the integrated harmony kline speakers there as well. We have the BMW individual trim as well as electric power folding mirrors, and we also have electric windows. Jumping inside the car, just there we have auto lights, foot on the brake, we have keyless start. Now this vehicle has done just under 26,600 miles and is free from any warning lights on the dash. Now I do have a multifunction steering wheel, cruise control and speed limiter on the left hand side, as well as voice and phone and volume settings just there as well. Now we also have paddle shift if we wish to take the car into manual mode, as well as auto wipers just there. Now satellite navigation in the centre, as well as media connectivity with DAB radio, FM, AM, music collection, CD, DVD, Bluetooth audio and also USB. Now I do have front and rear parking sensors, as you can see just there. We do have phone connectivity as well as the nav settings. We have different drive modes where we have Eco Pro, Comfort, Sport and Sport Plus. Coming down here we have dual zone climate control, which works just as you would expect it to, as well as 2 heated front seats, which makes all the difference for those cold winter mornings. Now I do have the digital dash, which changes colour when you put it into different drive modes. So Comfort, it goes to grey, Eco Pro, it goes blue, and then in the sportier settings it goes red. Wait for that to go off. There we go. We also have heads up display, as you can see just there, with road sign where it tells you the speed limit of the road that you're currently on. And we also have ice cold aircon, USB just there as well, so there's a storage tray, 2 nice size cup holders underneath there. Then we also have the traction control on and off, as well as your drive mode select, parking sensors, and this is what you use to control everything that happens on the screen. Soft touch leather armrest which moves forwards and back. We also have storage in there as well, so it moves forwards and back to suit your driving position. Now let's look at the passenger's full Dakota leather front seat, and again we have the integrated harmony kline speakers up there, and we also have the BMW individual trim that goes across there and just down there as well. Now this vehicle is available to take away today with free contactless nationwide next day delivery. It's HPI clear, comes with fresh service, and we do offer competitive low finance. Thank you very much for watching. Video test drive of this BMW 435D XDRIVE M Sport. Now the purpose of this video test drive is to show that the vehicle drives as it should. And as you can see, I'm not having to fight with steering wheel to keep it in a straight line. We have paddle shift as well as cruise control and speed limiter. So we can put this cruise control on now, so you press the bottom dial, use the dial to go up. Push up very slightly, it'll just buy for 1. Push up until you feel it click, it'll just use 5 miles an hour. Now, if you want to cancel, simply press the brake, touch the button, and then it will cancel. Now we do have a heads-up display, so as well it tells you what speed limit is on the road that you're currently driving on. Also paddle shift if you wish to take over manually, so I'm going to take over. So I'm in 5th, 4th, 3rd, back up to 4th, and into 5th. Now you can also push the gear stick to the left hand side, and you can go in M or S. M meaning manual and S meaning sport. Now you can also use the gear stick to change down the gears, so push away from me, I'm in 4th, 3rd, and to go up, pull back towards me, and now I'm in 4th. Now, to cancel, push the gear stick back to the right, and then it'll cancel. Now I do have satellite navigation, as well as DAB radio, Bluetooth media connectivity, as well as Bluetooth phone connectivity. We We also have very comfortable full Dakota leather front seats, which are also heated. You can easily do 2, 3, even 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. Now I do have the digital display, so when you change through your drive modes, so Sport, Comfort and Eco Pro, it changes colour, which is a nice little feature to this vehicle. Now here at Our Car Sales, we do have over 300 5-star reviews on Google and Autotrader, and if you read the reviews, our customers really do illustrate the fact of how good we're able to buy for and how caring of a company we actually are. But right now, I'll go up to the industrial state where I'm going to take a right. I'm going to perform an emergency stop and put it straight into reverse to just show that the brakes work as they should, and so do the front and rear parking sensors. So I'll just wait for this car to go past and I'll be able to pull in. So pulling in now, and going to do an emergency stop, and now straight into reverse, no issues whatsoever. Straight back into drive, again, no issues whatsoever. Now, if you haven't answered all of your questions and inquiries during this test drive and more of our video, please feel free to get in contact with the sales team where they can provide you with all the information you may need and also book you in for a viewing and a test drive of your selected vehicle. But that's it from me, so thank you very much for watching.